how to buy the MEOWCAT or MEOWCAT token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, now before that, go and check the Rex account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Go and check the Rex account. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by going to their official websites. It came under MEOWCAT.io. Now, before we start, just click on Connect Wallet. Now, select your wallet from here, for example, Trust Wallet. Now, after that, log in to your wallet. And after that, click on Connect. And now the connection, as you can see, switch to Smart BNB. Now, to be able to buy this token, just scroll down until you find this section. So how can I buy the MEOW or MEOWCAT? You can buy MEOW by visiting supported decentralized exchange. First, connect your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, to the decentralized exchange. Then swap a popular cryptocurrency like Ethereum or BNB or Binance Coin for BNB for MEOW. Detailed instructions will be available on our official website when the token is live. As you can see, the token is not live yet. So after you do all of this that they said, now after the token is going live, they will submit or add how to buy this token. So this is how to buy the MEOWCAT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.